Hello friends, I'm and yep, it has been some time and today I'm back with the OG video of the distribution I've been rocking recently and yes, like after creating the perfect well-balanced editing setup, well, a Linux distribution which has DaVinci Resolve Studio, Affinity Linux, like it's not the original Linux version, it doesn't exist, it's the ported version through scripts and yep, not to forget all the games I play on Steam. Well, the debate has been going for quite a while about which is the best Linux distribution. So, it actually depends on the user itself, what domain he's going to use that particular machine for. And for me, I prefer control over the accessibility and optimizations and out of the box features. Instead, I'd like to get a clean, well rugged, which gives complete control of everything which is inside the distribution so that I can tweak it myself, make the whole distribution as I need it to be. So yep, let's get to a desktop and see what's inside. Alright then, so here's here at the desktop and this is how it looks like. I know I'm supposed to change the wallpaper and customize the desktop a bit, but what if I just love the vanilla cologne like this? Well, there is another option. I could just turn to dark mode and it would look like this. Yep, it looks pretty good. So yeah, let's keep it like that here. So as you can see for recording, I'm using OBS and yes, it's more than enough. It allows me to capture my screen, the video at the highest quality of 1080p, 50 Mbps bitrate with NVIDIA GPU support. So yes, it's way stable. And along with that, as you can see here, these are all the essentials. Affinity, DaVinci Resolve Studio, and yep, some other stuff. I deleted this Steam because, I just play on Windows. I play PUBG or other Windows exclusive games which do not work on Linux. So yeah, it was almost useless for me. So in order to save a little bit of storage, I went on with that. And yes, talking about something else, I also have WPS Office. Let me just show you. WPS 930. So as you can see, it's really amazing. Then it works as the perfect alternative for the Microsoft fan. But well, let's say sometimes I do have to actually open something which is exclusive for the Microsoft Office document. So I'll just open Microsoft 365 here. That will be enough. And yep, talking about the other thing, I'm using Chrome as my default browser. And yes, it just does the work. And leaving that, let me just show you something else. So I'm reading out SMR. As you can see, it is running on the latest native proprietary NVIDIA driver with persistence off right now since I'm on balance mode. And yep, it's easily able to just push 30 watts along with yes, you can also see the temperature of the GPU. So if you can just see these three details, the temperature of your GPU, the wattage, and well, if you're able to get the cooler version as well, that means you have just pressed driver of NVIDIA, you can get right now. Leaving that, I'm just show you in reality, live how it looks like. So this is the DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let me just open something. Nope. So let's see which one should I do for them. Alright, I have an idea. If it is bring video well, for the intro. So this is the intro I used and now let me just edit it for example, just to show you how it works. So let me just fix the lighting. I intentionally decreased the brightness during recording to improve the details. Well, I can fix the lighting later. As you can see, like this. It's pretty easy setup, to be honest, like way easy if you just know what are things you need to fix. And yep, as you can see, it's done. And it is looking just gorgeous, isn't it? Yep, it is. I have no doubt about it. Yep, it is just looking awesome. And let me just see by playing it. Yes, it is just gorgeous. And if I were to show you the amount of, stuff used. So as you can see, DaVinci Resolve Studio is using around 1.4 GBs of the VRAM while pushing only 6 watts. It is just so convenient, isn't it? And if I were to show you my system monitor, it's just using 5.5 GBs of RAM while opening a 4K video file. And yep, it is color graded. As you can see, this is the lighting before, really uneven, not okay. And this is after. Magic of it. Let us save it and open something else to show you. So the next thing I'd like to show you is Affinity. the star of the show because Affinity is definitely not available on Linux, but you can get it through some ways. And yeah, I actually created a dedicated video about showing how I installed this Affinity. And as you can see, it launched so quickly as we talked. Let me just open something to show you. For example, on files, a new one. Yeah, let's open this one. And there we go. Now you might wonder like, what is this? Well, as you can see, this is Affinity running through Wine or something. And if I were to show you the system monitor, it's still using nearly the same as it was with the DaVinci Resolve Studio. So it is very, very convenient for me. Let me just show you something here. Just put a screenshot of something like this, drag and drop, and here it is. You see how convenient this thing is, isn't it? I can easily manipulate the stuff however I want and change it to pixels. Like, I like to use it Photoshop, and there we are. How convenient it is, isn't it? Now let's open something else, okay? And yeah, the moment we close the application, let's just check the system monitor if it goes down. Yep, it did. Now it is still going down, getting out the background processes while maintaining the power. You see, that's convenience. That's power. Now you might ask, how did I achieve it? Well, you see, Manjaro allows us to actually customize every bit of our operating system. Let me show you something. For example, here, go to Manjaro Linux Manager, you can actually change Linux kernels. And there, if I were to show you, right now we're running the LDS version, which is the most stable one, while another latest one is available. If I were to install it, I just click a button, it will be installed, that's it. Let me just show you something else. So another thing, we have the ability to directly install other type of NP drivers, proprietary or open source, or wherever you like, directly from here, from one button. Install the proprietary one here, install the open source one here, or just you just want to use the AMD GPU instead and save a lot of battery life. You can do that as well. Just uninstall this. Your NVIDIA GPU won't be used and battery will be saved. Correct. Well, we have another convenience here. Just go to power saver mode. It will automatically, like suppress the GPU, the voltage provided there, and improve battery life. But now I'm recording right now. So yep, that is it. My amazing minimal setup, which allows me to actually have total control in my life and my digital life, to be honest. And it works flawlessly. Now let me just show you some other stuff. Okay, so as you can see from here, it's a 144 Hz display, but I can enable variable refresh rate. This is a new feature thanks to Vaden. Get 50, 49, I don't know. Yep, 49. And the latest version of NVIDIA's driver. And yep, I tested it out. It just works flawlessly. I cannot show it right now that I don't, because I'm already recording at 60. If I do anything here, the recording will be broken and my efforts will be wasted. Leaving that, we have a lot of other options as well. And yeah, I know I'm supposed to actually get another kind of wallpaper, but I just like, this. But let's say if I want to update the system, I just go here, type sudo pacman sphere. I prefer arch packages instead, and it just does the work. Yep, do it, and done. Update it. Each time it is updated, it creates a snapshot. So if an update were to mess with my system or break it, I'll easily just go back, fix the things, and work. Amazing, right? Well, yeah, in my opinion, I would like to actually improve the desktop a little. Why not I do that in the next video? Yep. So the next video is going to be about how I'll, well, beautify my setup, make it more pleasing to the eyes, and subscribe if you don't want to miss that one. And I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm signing out.